Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the speed light settings. In photography, this is referred as a speed light, and this is the model of this one, Meik. It's majorly made for Nikon. This is its model speed light Meik, which is the MK950. If you can see, it can be folded like this. In this place you have medium from 75 degree to 45 degree, even in this way, depending on the nature of the shot, how bright you want the picture to be. This is 60, and straight up here is 17. You can also turn it this way. You can see this. You can also turn it this way. You can also turn it to the other side. You can leave it like this, straight. You can leave it like this. So this very speed light has uses a Duracell battery. It uses a battery. So let's fix in the battery and continue with the settings. Flip it down, as this arrow implies. Flip it down, take it up. So it does takes for battery, and this is the battery. So let's start from here. This is positive, right? Okay, do this 1, 2, see 3, and this is 4. Then we close it. We'll close it. Yeah, you can see it now. Then as you can see here, this is on and off. This is zoom. Then this is the mode, and this pilot is for flash testing. So if you look at this place, so we go here, see this, you can use it to control the light. Bring it out here, also turn it. So let's power it on. Hear some sound. Detail. The ISO sensitivity is always at 100. If it's not at 100, then if it's not at 100, you can put it 100. Right? So, and this is the mode. If you want to change and set, you see, it's gone to manual. This, if you want to increase or decrease, use this. You can see 0 point something, just into 1 of 1. Always believe that is the highest, is the best settings. And go to mode again. If you want to add this, keep using this, you see, but the best is 1/8. This one, all these ones are not necessary for you to touch them. You see, another necessary. You can leave it as any number you want, it will still work out. And move on with this. So we'll continue. Forget about this TTL. You should always leave it blank like this. Don't add anything. This TTL is okay this way. Then the manual, as we said earlier, is okay at 1/1. Manual is okay this way. Whichever one is okay for you, you just click set, then that will be set. You go to the next one. So it is very simple, setting a speed light. So this is where you can use it to fix on top of your camera, and you tight it very well. So let's try the little that we have done. Let's see this. This pilot is using trying to flash, you see, and it's ready again immediately, you see. So This is a simple way of setting the speed light. So please, if you find this class interesting, please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to give it a thumbnail, and if you have any question, you should please leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for staying with us. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.